Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I am a huge fan of tea tree oil for so many of the benefits and properties that it has, and I like to use it for a variety of things. And this one is a great option. This is Cliganic, and this is a 100% pure and natural tea tree oil, and I really like this. So you can use this for diffusing, of course, for aromatherapy, or you can use it in making your own oil blends or different things. I really like to add a couple of drops of this to my facial moisturizer, and it has really helped me to keep my skin clear. It helps me with blemishes that I am prone to. It really has helped me a lot, so I absolutely love it. This comes in a 1 fluid ounce bottle, so you get a really good amount of it. So I think it's a great option if you are looking for tea tree essential oils. I've been really happy with it. So I would definitely recommend this from Cliganic, and that's my point of view.